What up, it's Dane coming at you with a quick video, and this one I guess we could say is an Ask Dane one, and this one not so much related to fitness but will be really important for a lot of you. So this guy asked, and it's Brendan Clark. He says, and by the way I haven't prepared this, he says, please answer this question in the next video. Okay, thanks. My question is, have you ever felt like you had to be someone you're not? So again, I haven't prepared this. Now to be honest with you, I have. When I was back in primary school, or I think in Americans they'll say middle school, I was always trying to please everyone, and this actually led into college where I was trying to please everyone. I was trying to be basically everyone's best friend, right? And to be honest with you, this is not the way to go, right? And also relating it to fitness, just by doing it again and again, and now working in a fitness environment has really just led me to, like, because I'm always speaking to everyone, just like, if you actually think about it, when you say hello to someone, like, hello man, what's going on, and they ignore you, it doesn't actually mean anything, man. So to answer your question, yes, I have definitely acted like I was someone else and wasn't being myself, but to me that's just because the way society is these days, especially younger individuals and even older people, is that so many people care what other people think, right? Like, so many people from school, or some people that I personally know are probably watching this video, and to be honest with you, I generally couldn't give a shit what they think of it. Like, I'm doing my thing, and as like Elliot Holst has once said, one of the guys on YouTube, he's like, it's like a bird, man. Some people will love it when it like cheeps, when it makes these nice songs, and some people will be like, fuck this, man, this is annoying. So just do your thing, man, just be you. At the end of the day, man, when you're lying on your deathbed, when you're almost dead, you will regret that you didn't live your life for yourself. So be you, man, live every day like it's your last. So sorry again, this wasn't a lot about fitness. Probably the only 1 or 2 videos that I haven't made about fitness, but as long as I could help one individual, that is my goal. So be yourself, don't worry about anyone else thinks, your parents, no one, because let me tell you one thing, your parents, your mom, father, they honestly don't give a shit about your goals in life. Let me tell you that, trust me. Stay positive, stay smiling, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.